welcome back from EatSleepYangon channel. Rose is here. Now I'm at the Pansodan Bus Stop. I will walk around the Pansodan Bus Stop. So what's near here? Explore with me, guys. Come on. Rice and curry, Myanmar rice and curry. Yes, in this 37th street, and there is a Myanmar traditional cuisine shops. And I order with chicken. Chicken is my favorite curry. That's right. And chicken and potato. Yeah, and the side dish is here, and this one ngapi. Yeah, how to say? I don't know. And the price is over 1,200 jets. Yeah, price is not too much different. Just 1,000 jets, 1,200 jets, stuff like that. So overall, the shops is around $1. Yes, and there's a different kinds of cuisine like fish, chicken, pork, tiny fish, and prawn. Yeah, stuff like that. You can choose what you want. For me, I order with chicken. So let's eat first. I'm too starving now. And this one is my favorite. I like spicy. And most of Myanmar people like to eat with this. And then side dish new. Some veggie. For me, I prefer cucumber. I only like cucumber. Yeah. It's good. So fried. Chicken. And it's reasonable price for the general worker too. Around $1 is for their lunch. And you can order with chicken with beans. But today I ordered chicken with potato. Enjoy with me, guys. It's a side dish. This one is so sour, but it's good. Potato. At the shack is only one potato. So that's right. I want more. Here mình coi. more suited for me. Yeah, yeah, I'm trying to buy for my next video, next shoot. Smells awesome. Please choose from me. Expensive. Here is the round color one. Yeah. This is also cute. I think I prefer this one. The color also nice for me. I'm gonna write this one in. You can see me next to this. I'll buy. Some snacks, and at this store they sell dim sum, sushi, a sandwich, and also burger too. You can choose different kinds of burger like Zing's burger, beef burger, cheese chicken burger, stuff like that. Yeah, sushi also here, and then sandwich too. Yeah. It's a real fast food shop. Yeah, the shop is a little bit small, but they sell a variety of fast food. It's good. I ordered beef burger one. It's 2,500 yen, so it's around over $1. Yeah, it's reasonable. I'm waiting.
Ôm nó được nữa. Rồi. Em ngồi lại. Em ngồi lại. Vào đi. Rồi.
The name is Steak Burger. Yes, I'm gonna try now. I order with beef bowl. It's mayonnaise. good, right? Only 2,500 Myanmar, so it's so much reasonable for the one burger. Oh, it's so good. Let me try more. Tomato. At the corner of Mahabandula Road and Downtown Road, so let me start my video here. I hope you guys enjoy. First, this place is a popular and famous place. So along the road, you can see like a local market. You can see they are selling the meat and also veggie and street food likewise. So you can have a variety of choice for the shopper. Okay? Let me start the video here. So if you enjoyed this video, I'm pretty sure you like this one and also this one too. Bye for now. See you guys soon. Take care.